Give them to your boss man now. Or you're gonna be sorry. Real sorry.
So you can be sending them to the mall? No. Them is my people, Mazala. No way I go.
I must get closer.
You always be soft one Sunday. Weak. Sooner or later you're gonna break.
Heroes! Knew you was gonna come and help you old pal one Sunday. Mazala got
cannot
me at
attack
a
that.
disadvantage. But if you collect me more from a purely business partner,
I need to target something first. I require a
I'd be
target.
keeping this old Loa distracted. Go on now. Follow the path. And don't you be taking no for an answer. Now, here's a Loa you might remember. Haka always be needing mojo for his rituals. And one Sunday always be willing to make a deal.
I am out of range.
Well, what you give me that look for?
Too far away.
No, Haka be a lower blood. But it is a deal, man. Just get me mojo back.
Target something first. I require a target. I must get closer.
Power is mine. I will remember that. As a light, I service God more.
I need to target something first.
I serve power was mine.
Olaka, you're a nasty one. But you be making him pay him debt. Sooner or later, he's gonna be back. You can't keep a bad lower down.
Me want them souls, one Sunday. Me want Rastakhan and all the others on the lorry. It ain't wise to be holding out on Wazala.
You're gone and forgot what it means to be a Loa. You bond with the people. The power you share. Ugh!
The only power that counts be death, and death be coming for them all.
I am out of range. I require a target.
You know, it don't just be trolls who be coming to ask for old one Sandy's help. All kinds be making deals with the lower adept. Like these two crazy little gnomes here. They both be hungry for power. So me were more than happy to oblige. But
Too
now,
far away.
we need that mojo back.
I am out of range.
What have we here? That dusty old Loa has sent debt collectors already? But I haven't had his mojo long enough to create my masterpiece.
Wait, you made a deal with one?
I'll teach you to mess with genius. Well, I will power beyond your comprehension. Power beyond your comprehension.
I require a target.
I'd rather give up the mojo than lose her.
This one will drive you nuts! This one will drive you nuts! This one will drive you nuts!
You're the best, Billy. Let's never fight again. For a while, at least.
Oh, sweetie! You do care! Mwah!
True love. Now ain't that sweet? Old boy Samdi had his share of romance back in the day. More than his share.
Made you a lower, one Sunday. Now give me them souls and kneel before your master.
That was long ago. But me remember. Remember how the trolls be turning away from you? All them sacrifices, all that blood, how they were gonna...
We don't need worshippers. The jailer gonna give me all
far
the
away.
power I need. And one Sunday the one gonna be forgotten.
I must get closer.
Now old boy Sam, they don't just be making deals on Azeroth. Brokers be looking for power too. All kind of power. This one ain't gonna wanna give me back my mojo. So careful now. She's tricky.
Too far away. acquire a target.
You will pay dearly for this. I will specialize you. Now, where to put you? Care to give this one a try? Have you ever wished you could fly? It's like a hard bargain.
Them brokers be up to something. You best be keeping an eye on them. Now hurry back with me, Mojo.
Little friends of yours think they're gonna help you one someday. What chance you be having against me? It be Mwazala who brought Helia to the jailer's side. Struck a deal for old Odin's eye. And made the Banshee war chief with a whisper.
You think you're one boss man?
This darkness is mine.
Come on now, heroes. Bring the Mojo back and help me put...
So small, so weak. Be mine. Shadows take ya. Darkness be mine.
You best hurry. The price don't matter now.
Foolish mortals! Me be the true god again!
You can't be holding me forever!
I do not have a target. Acquire a target. I need to target something first.
Shadows take ya! Be mine! So weak! Shadows take ya! So weak! Light be mine!
You best hurry. The price don't matter now.
Foolish mortals! Me be the true god of death!
You had better to pay attention. Father of sleep. never care about your people. Only power.
There be no escape.
Attack that target.
Let us. How is me?
Times change, man. Mortals never be as weak as you believe.